Got it? Alright. I'm going to pick it up. I want to put it like right in the center of it. Jeffrey, don't hook yourself. What's going on, guys? I'm over here at this bridge right here. We're going to see what we can get with magnet fishing. Alright? So stay tuned. Uh-oh. I wonder. Yeah, I got something. Maybe it's a rock. I need a rock. Come on, baby. Don't let go. Don't let go.
What is that?
Don't let go.
What?
What is that? Is it a big rock?
I think, yeah. Wait, a big rock or something?
Isn't that crazy? There's all crustified on it. Maybe we can smash it up against the ground. Step back, guys. Step back. Hold on.
What is this? I want to do it.
No, nothing. What the heck? That's magnetic, though. Oh. You see?
What?
Something inside.
Oh, something inside?
Alright, back up.
Break it.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like a clamp or something like that.
What is
Look at that.
Whoa.
It's a half of a donut.
But does not even...
Oh yeah, check that out. Got something.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah. Let's get that bad boy up here.
What is that?
I don't know. What is that? That's a good question. Look at that.
Whoa! It's like garbage. What?
It looks like a handle to something, guys. That's weird, huh?
Yep.
That's crazy. Got it? Alright. I'm going to pick it up. I want to put it like right in the center of it. Jeffrey, don't hook yourself. Probably right where the magnet is.
Yeah, it's about in the middle.
Probably over the other side of the magnet.
I only got one hook.
Yep. Okay, I'll let it go. Tell me when. Right there? Okay, okay. Hold on. Oh! Okay. You got it? Okay. Sorry, man. Let me just put my magnet on there again. There we go. I got this side. You just put it where you want. Am I hooked? Let me check. Oh, come on, baby.
I'd help you, but I don't want to be...
No, be careful.
Yeah. Oh, it's a stop sign. I wondered what it was. Oh, no, that's what... I got some good.
That's a sign. Oh, oh, look at that. Woo! Woo! Does that say stop? Nice. Thank you. Help of a kayaker. Thank you, sir. Wow, that is definitely a stop sign. There's the S. And there's the T.
Yeah, it is a stop. It's
O.
Yeah, it
P.
is. Yeah, it is stop.
Yep.
But after it is in the water, the paint.
It's been in the water for a long, long time.
And the paint fell out.
You're right. The red paint fell right off. Here it is, right here. There's the red paint.
And it's gone.
Isn't that
The
crazy?
red paint.
What's this, guys? What am I on? What the heck is that? Just scrap. Just scrap metal, guys. That's all it is. Strapping. Ah, it feels heavy, guys. I have no idea what this is. Let me see. Are you kidding me?
It's a baseball bat.
Dude, it's a baseball bat!
Oh, my God.
Are you It's a small baseball bat, man. Look at that. CJ, what do you think of that?
I think that's a nice find right there.
Dude, check out this bat, man!
Look at this thing, huh?
That's awesome. That's cool, man. What a good find.
Awesome. It is a good find. Thing's heavy.
Yeah, man.
Think you got some-
Unbelievable. I was doing some magnet fishing, and CJ comes up and says, "Hey, where'd that stop sign come from?" And I'm like, "I just pulled it out of the water." He's like, "You gotta be kidding me!"
I know. Look at the stuff you could find out of the water here. It's unbelievable, really.
That's awesome.
Giving her on the chuck.
Go ahead, CJ. There you go. There's a pro right there.
Right there, baby. We got it.
See? I'm teaching somebody to be a magnet fisher.
Absolutely.
He's already hooked, I think.
I am. Quite literally.
he's wanting to do this now. Let's see if he gets anything.
Feel a little resistance already.
Do you? Yeah, that's what happens. You'll feel the magnetic pull. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. If you like this video, please
Like and subscribe.
Hey, you know what? We got some good finds today. We got the big stop sign right there. That was amazing find.
Nice one.
Yep. And then we got this right here. Not too much other things. We just got little stuff here and there, nails, screws, and all that. But guys, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next one. Peace.
Catch you on the flip side.